So anyway, you were saying that you want to do what?
I want to crash.
Doing what?
Riding a motorcycle.
What's wrong with you?
Nothing.
Why do you want to crash on a motorcycle?
Sounds fun.
Oh, what part of it would be fun for you?
Sliding.
Sliding along the pavement at 130 miles an hour?
Yeah. But this will protect me.
You think so, huh? So you're about to 2-up ride at Firebird Raceway, main track, first ride on the track, November 2nd, 2000.
It's October 32nd.
November 2nd?
October 32nd.
Whatever. You must be nervous. You don't even know what date it is.
Halloween was yesterday.
Yeah, today's the 2nd, homie. Halloween was Friday. So anyway, there won't be any crashing today. So forget about all that. But you will be on a 2-up ride in expert class. 165, 168 in the back straightaway. Like 115 in the carousel. So you should try to hang a leg off. You excited?
Yeah. The lady at the booth when I was saying a thing, I was like, what's the day today? She said October 32nd. It doesn't make any sense. And I put on all the waivers too.
Yeah. Maybe she fell off a motorcycle and hit her head. It's possible. So anyway, about 10 minutes, you'll be on the track and we'll film. Alright? Wave to the camera.